Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Jim Boyer, Marketing Manager at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio. And I wanted to show you a new car we're just putting on the lot today. This is a 2017 Volkswagen Jetta. Very nice car. I'm going to do a quick walk around, show you the outside of it. Beautiful white color on it. And then we'll go on the inside, show you what it looks like in there. It does have a very spacious, roomy trunk in it. You can see here it is a TSI. So let's go ahead and we'll pop trunk on this. That is a very, very deep trunk. And it's very clean inside. So a lot of room back there. It does have a rear view camera, which is right here. I should say backup camera. Let's go ahead over here on the passenger side, show you that. We'll open up the back door. It does have cloth interior, two-tone. It has a black and a light tan, medium tan collar. Carpet's in good condition. Show you the door panel. So we'll go ahead and hop up front. Before we hop in, I'll show you the door panel here. Your window controls. It does have here information for your mirrors, heated. So that's kind of nice to have that. Mechanisms for your seat. So let's go ahead and hop in. Sorry if that was a little quick. Let's go ahead and we'll start the car up. It does have a LCD control center where your backup camera is. But I'll go ahead and back off here, show you the steering wheel. You do have controls here on the left side, and you also have controls on the right, audio, cruise control. And zoom in here a little bit, get close, show you the instrument cluster. And as you can see, the miles as of the recording of this video, 56,723 miles. So we'll go over here to the command center. I'll scroll down, give you a quick view of this. 2 cup holders, storage compartment. This does have heated seats, and you can actually see your driver's side, passenger side. And we'll go up here to the command center. I want to drop this down in reverse. There is your backup camera. Very nice safety feature. CD player right here. And I'll show you the overhead controls for your lighting up overhead. And we'll swing around here, show you the storage compartment. Now let me swing around here and I'll show you the back seats. So you do have lighting control right up there on the ceiling. And you do have a USB port down here and a 12 volt right there. So that's the car. It's actually very nice Jetta. So just wanted to share this with you, let you know that as far as financing, we've got a lot of banks that are eager to loan money right now. And a lot of these loans can be done with no down payment. You do not have to have perfect credit to qualify for your bank loan. The majority of our customers are walking out, no money out of pocket. And you don't have to have perfect credit. So that's the Jetta 2017 1.4 turbocharged engine. I forgot to mention that, but it is a turbocharged engine. So even though with it being a smaller displacement of an engine, you're getting the increased horsepower and torque of a larger engine, while at the same time getting better fuel mileage. So you save money at the pump. So if you have any questions, feel free to give us a phone call up here. Area code 740-992-4443. Come by, take a test drive. If you want to do an online application, you can go to our website and do a application right there online. So with that, I hope you have a great day. Bye for now.